Wall Street has figured out a way, ladies and gentlemen, to make more money killing companies than building them. What could be more sick than that?
Hi, it's Roger Hamilton here, the CEO of GNS Group, and I'm about to share with you a frightening video of Wes Christian talking about just how massive the fraud is on Wall Street right now when it comes to illegal short selling, which is driving down the price of so many different companies, including AMC, including GameStop, including our own company, and it is affecting the CEOs and the teams and the customers of those companies, together with all the retail investors that are invested in these companies as well. Our company, GNS Group, we had our IPO at $6 a share in April last year. And since then, because of our growth, we've had analysts that have given these kind of reports, from Diamond giving us a price target of like $11 a share, or like this one here from Zacks, which is giving us a price target of $18 a share, and then upgrading that to $19 a share. And then this is our share price. It's gone right down to under 40 cents, which is absolutely ridiculous. And this is because of this illegal practice. So when we found out this was happening, we got Wes on board. He's proven that this is happening, as you're going to hear. And just to be clear, our company, GNS Group, is a fast-growing company that was growing 50% year over year before we had the IPO. And then we just had our earnings report where we just shared that we had grown by 60%. In fact, here are some of our slides from our earnings call, where we've been sharing about our Metaversity launch, our AI Genie, which is providing personalized pathways, partnerships with thought leaders that have already between them influenced millions of people, and also our student growth, where we've now got over 4 million students on our platform. And as well as showing our revenue growth and our gross margin growth, we also showed our balance sheet, which has grown to over $90 million in assets this year and $60 million in net assets, compared to now market cap, which is under 10 million, because of what they've done to our share price. So for us, this is a fight. We hope you'll come join it.
First off, a couple clarifications. Number one, the price you see over here will be moving around and changing, and the candlestick you see right there will be moving around. That is because the market's still open for a small amount of time, but I like to do these videos when the market is still open, because sometimes we can capture some really interesting late day price movement as we're seeing right now. And then second, I will be using the 30-minute time frame, meaning each one of these candlesticks here represents 30 minutes worth of time. So stock number one here, GNS, and what a monster move, not only from the price action standpoint. You look down here at the volume, it's been gigantic. And then you look at this last 30 minutes right now, and this thing is continuing to surge higher and higher, which brings about the first big question that you're going to need to ask yourself. And that is this: where does the price ultimately close relative to right up here at $2.15? Because that is the key level of resistance. Market still has about 15 minutes before it closes. So you could be watching this after it gets uploaded on YouTube. And the question is, if the price is above $2.15, then that's where the question becomes, okay, the breakout has happened. Is that breakout going to get even more continuation? An exciting question to ask. Or you're going to be saying, well, no, Clay, the price is still down below $2.15, which brings up the secondary question, which again is exciting. And that question being, okay, well, is a breakout going to happen? Again, that's what a watch list is all about. Finding unique, finding interesting situations, not randomly rushing out and buying anything, but watching, observing, and seeing what plays out. And when you can ask these questions such as, okay, a breakout's occurred, is this the start of an even bigger breakout? Or will this thing break out and then turn into an even bigger breakout? Like I said, those are great questions that can be asked, but those questions do require good action. They do require good volume, all of which this thing has right now. And as I speak, this thing has actually gone red again. So right now, looking like it's not going to be closing up above $2.15. But again, still got several minutes before the market ultimately closes. If the price does pull back more, then the key area of support to watch closely is going to be down there at right around the $1.50 mark.